This camera is called a videoscope. Here is the lens. And this flexible gooseneck cable retains its configured shape. With additional cables, the working distance can be extended to a maximum of 3 meters, or just shy of 10 feet. As we rotate the camera around, you can see the display of what the camera is seeing and recording. It is best used as an inspection camera. Let's see it in operation now. You can see how this would allow a worker to see into areas that are typically hard to access. As we look closer at the screen, you can see the user easily adjusting the contrast with his finger. The information could be recorded to a data card to be viewed later if needed.